Hey everybody, Reality Mike. Literally $13 for this whole deal. And that was 25 foot of line, the collar and connection that goes around the cold water pipe underneath your sink with the pin that pokes through to get the water flowing, along with the two connections to connect the water line to the sink and the water line to your fridge. And it really is as easy as 1, 2, 3. All right, make sure you like and subscribe. Stay tuned. Boo! Whoop! Guys, we got two cameras going at the same time because I want you to see how simple this is. And really just look at this collar and you can see that pin pushing through right there, right? So we're just going to make that level or even with that rubber bumper. And if you're putting it on inside the house, which I'll show you after, obviously you're going to take this whole thing off and then put one side of the collar on one side of the pipe, the other side on the other. But for this purpose, I'm just going to slide this whole thing over just so you can see how this works, and do the camera above so you can see that pin pushing through and how easy this is. So let me just tighten down these screws. This was the part I was scared about the most, but then I did it and figured out how easy this is. And I thought, man, I need to make a video about this. Okay, so I'm going to push back that pin just a little more because I want to make sure that that collar is nice and tight around that pipe. And again, I just cut a piece of pipe for all intents and purposes to show you how it works. Okay, so here we go. So now I'm just going to start turning the valve. And this is the open and shut valve. So even once it's installed on your water pipe, right, which make sure your water's turned off, then that's it. This is where you would, and you'll see that pin pushing through, and I just put it go all the way because it's going to be tough to turn there for a minute, right? And then once it's all the way in, then just back it back out, and you have just successfully punctured the pipe for the flow of water. Next part, we're going to show you how to hook the water line up. Very easy. 1, 2, 3. Guys, I'm almost embarrassed to show you how easy this is. See that little thing right there? That's just the little copper stem that comes out that goes in the middle of the tube that we're putting in there. So you just shove it in there. You're gonna feel it slide up in, and then guess what? Man, you just pull this, and that's it. That side's done. That's your sink. All right, let's go check out the fridge. Okay, here we go. So once again, that stem comes out that you're just gonna put in the end of the tube, and you'll feel it slide right in, and it only goes so far, and then bada bing, bada boom, done. Now I connect to my refrigerator, and we are ready to go. And it really is as simple as 1, 2, 3. Okay, and there you go, all fitted to my cold water. And I told you this was the part I was worried about the most, because I thought, man, if I do that, what if water starts spilling everywhere? Man, it was easy. And then it just stays on just like that. I also have my dishwasher hooked up to this one, but it don't matter. And that's it. Very easy. Obviously, you got to run your line, so you're going to be the best one to figure out the path that your water line needs to go. But as far as the hookup to the water line and to your fridge, oh my goodness, way too easy. Thanks for tuning in today from under my sink. This is Reality Mike, and we'll see you the next time. Please like and subscribe. Boo! Whoop. Reality Mike here.